The importance of carbide. Burrs for welders in shaping and contouring. For welders, achieving a high-quality professional finish on welded metal is critical. Whether you're working on structural welds, artistic metalwork, or precision fabrication, carbide burrs are indispensable tools for shaping and contouring welded metal. These versatile tools allow welders to refine their work, ensuring precision, smoothness, and aesthetic appeal. Below, we'll dive into why carbide burrs are essential for welders, focusing on their role in shaping and contouring, and how specific types like cylindrical or flame-shaped burrs enhance your workflow. Why carbide burrs are essential for welders. Carbide burrs are rotary cutting tools made from tungsten carbide, a material known for its exceptional hardness and durability. This makes them ideal for working on tough materials like steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and other metals commonly used in welding. Unlike traditional grinding wheels or files, carbide burrs offer superior precision, control, and versatility, allowing welders to achieve intricate shapes and smooth finishes with ease. Here's why carbide burrs are a game-changer for welders. Precision shaping welders often need to refine the shape of a weld to meet specific geometric requirements or to prepare a surface for further processing. Carbide burrs allow you to remove excess weld material, smooth out irregularities, and create precise contours. For example, cylindrical carbide burrs are perfect for flat or slightly curved surfaces, enabling welders to remove weld beads or excess material with accuracy. Their straight, uniform shape ensures even material removal, making them ideal for creating smooth, consistent surfaces. Flame-shaped carbide burrs are excellent for intricate or contoured work. Their tapered, pointed design allows welders to access tight areas, sculpt complex shapes, or create decorative patterns in metalwork. This is especially useful for artistic welding projects or when working on curved or irregular surfaces. Versatility across applications. Carbide burrs are highly versatile and can be used for a variety of tasks, including deburring, removing sharp edges or burrs from welded joints to improve safety and aesthetics. Smoothing, weld imperfections, correcting uneven welds, porosity, or surface defects to achieve a polished finish. Contouring for fit-up, shaping metal surfaces to ensure proper alignment for subsequent welds or assembly. Intricate designs, creating decorative patterns or custom shapes for artistic or functional metalwork. Efficiency and speed. Carbide burrs cut through metal quickly and efficiently, reducing the time spent on manual grinding or filing. Their sharp cutting edges and high-speed operation, when used with a rotary tool like a die grinder, allow welders to achieve professional results faster than with traditional methods. Durability and longevity. Made from tungsten carbide, these burrs are incredibly durable and maintain their sharpness even after prolonged use on tough materials. This longevity translates to cost savings, as welders can rely on a single high-quality burr for multiple projects without frequent replacements. Enhanced control for intricate work. The variety of shapes and sizes available in carbide burrs gives welders unparalleled control. For instance, cylindrical burrs are ideal for broad, flat surfaces or straight edges, allowing for controlled material removal. Flame-shaped burrs excel in detailed work, such as sculpting curves, rounding edges, or accessing hard-to-reach areas like fillet welds or corners. How carbide burrs enhance shaping and contouring. Shaping and contouring are critical steps in many welding projects, whether for functional or aesthetic purposes. Here's how carbide burrs excel in these tasks. Achieving precise geometries. Welders often need to create specific shapes or profiles to meet engineering specifications or design requirements. For example, in pipe welding, you might need to contour a weld to ensure a smooth transition between pipe sections. Cylindrical carbide burrs are perfect for creating flat or slightly curved surfaces, while flame-shaped burrs allow for more intricate sculpting, such as blending welds into the base material for a seamless appearance. Creating intricate designs. For welders working on artistic or custom projects, carbide burrs are essential for crafting intricate patterns or shapes. Flame-shaped burrs, with their pointed tips and tapered profiles, are particularly well-suited for detailed work, such as engraving designs, rounding edges, or creating smooth transitions in sculptural metalwork. Smoothing and blending welds. Weld imperfections, such as uneven beads or spatter, can compromise both the strength and appearance of a weld. Carbide burrs allow welders to smooth out these imperfections, blending the weld into the surrounding metal for a clean, professional finish. Cylindrical burrs are great for larger areas, while flame-shaped burrs are ideal for tight spaces or delicate blending tasks. Preparing surfaces for finishing. After shaping and contouring, welds often require additional finishing, such as painting, powder coating, or polishing. Carbide burrs prepare the surface by removing scale, rust, or excess material, ensuring a smooth, uniform base for the final finish. Choosing the right carbide burr for the job. To maximize the benefits of carbide burrs, welders should select the appropriate shape and size for their specific task. Here's a quick guide. Cylindrical burrs. Best for flat surfaces, straight edges, or removing large amounts of material. Applications: smoothing weld beads, deburring, or preparing flat surfaces for further welding. Example: a cylindrical burr with a double-cut pattern is ideal for fast material removal and smooth finishes on steel welds. Flame-shaped burrs. Best for contoured surfaces, tight spaces, or intricate designs. Applications: sculpting curves, blending fillet welds, or creating decorative patterns. Example: a flame-shaped burr with a single cut pattern works well for detailed work on stainless steel or aluminum. Cut types. Single cut produces smoother finishes with longer chips, ideal for softer metals or fine work. Double cut cuts faster with smaller chips, perfect for harder metals or rapid material removal. Alumacut, designed for non-ferrous metals like aluminum, preventing clogging and ensuring clean cuts. Shank sizes. Ensure your burr's shank size, e.g. 1/4 or 1/8, matches your rotary tool for compatibility. Tips for using carbide burrs. Effectively. To get the most out of your carbide burrs, follow these best practices. Use the right speed. Operate your rotary tool at the recommended RPM for the material and burr size. Too high a speed can cause excessive heat, while too low a speed reduces efficiency. Apply light pressure. Let the burr do the work. Excessive pressure can dull the burr or damage the workpiece. Keep the burr clean. Use a wire brush to remove metal chips and prevent clogging, especially when working with softer metals like aluminum. Wear proper PPE. Always wear safety glasses, gloves, and a dust mask to protect against metal particles and debris. Choose quality burrs. Invest in high-quality carbide burrs from reputable suppliers to ensure durability and performance. Visit our website for 10% off your carbide burr purchase. Ready to elevate your welding projects with top-quality carbide burrs? Visit our website today to explore our wide selection of cylindrical, flame-shaped, and other carbide burrs designed for welders. For a limited time, use the promo code below at checkout to enjoy 10% off your entire purchase. Don't miss this opportunity to stock up on the tools you need to achieve precise, professional results in your welding work. By incorporating carbide burrs into your workflow, you'll gain the precision, efficiency, and versatility needed to take your welding projects to the next level. Whether you're shaping welds for structural integrity or contouring metal for a stunning artistic piece, carbide burrs are the tools you can trust. Visit our website now and save.